It's no longer science fiction. AI is already reshaping industries, taking over jobs, and even challenging human intelligence. Some experts warn of a future where machines surpass us, while others believe AI will unlock human potential like never before. Welcome to Success Handshake, where we bring you the insights that shape the future. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest questions of our time. Will robots replace humans? But here's the real question. How close are we to this reality? And most importantly, what's the #1 AI breakthrough that could change everything? Stick around to the end, because what you'll discover might shock you. Let's jump in. 17. Final verdict. Will robots replace humans? AI is evolving faster than we ever imagined. It's taking over repetitive tasks, optimizing industries, and even creating art. But will it ever fully replace humans? While AI can analyze vast amounts of data and automate work, it lacks true creativity, empathy, and leadership. These are qualities that make us human. The real question is, how can we coexist with AI? Instead of fearing job losses, we should be asking how we can use AI to enhance our skills, improve efficiency, and unlock new possibilities. The key is adaptation. Those who learn to work with AI will thrive, while those who resist may struggle. Some experts argue that AI will never fully replace humans because human emotions, instincts, and moral judgment cannot be programmed. Others believe that once AI reaches human-level intelligence, it will start to improve itself beyond our control. What do you think? 16. The AI Utopia versus the AI Nightmare. Imagine a future where AI handles all the hard work. No more tedious jobs, no more 9-to-5 routines. People can pursue creativity, hobbies, and innovation. Healthcare is revolutionized, and poverty is eradicated. That's the AI utopia. But what if the opposite happens? Mass unemployment, increased wealth gaps, and the loss of purpose for billions of people? Will AI be a tool for human progress, or will it widen the divide between the rich and poor? Governments and societies must make critical decisions now to prevent an AI-driven dystopia. What do you think? Will AI free humanity or enslave it? 15. Can AI become conscious? AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated, mimicking human speech, emotions, and even decision-making. But is it truly conscious, or is it just an illusion? Philosophers and scientists are debating whether AI can ever develop self-awareness. If it does, should it have rights? Will we treat it as an equal? This is one of the biggest ethical dilemmas of our time. If an AI claims to feel pain or joy, should we believe it? What happens when AI demands freedom? It sounds like science fiction, but some experts believe we may face this question sooner than we think. 14. The job apocalypse. Who will survive? AI is already automating jobs across industries, from customer service to truck driving. What happens when 90% of jobs are automated? Will there be enough work left for humans? Some believe universal basic income, UBI, will become necessary to support those whose jobs disappear. But will governments be prepared to handle such a shift? History has shown that technological advancements create new job opportunities, but will this time be different? If AI is learning faster than humans can adapt, we might be facing the biggest job crisis in history. 13. AI and human enhancement, merging with machines. Some experts say the only way to stay relevant in an AI-driven world is to merge with AI. Technologies like Elon Musk's Neuralink are already developing brain implants that connect humans to computers. Could this be the next step in evolution? Imagine downloading knowledge directly into your brain or communicating telepathically with others. But with such power comes risk. Who controls the data? What if hackers can access your thoughts? The line between humans and machines is becoming increasingly blurred. Will we all become cyborgs in the future? 12. AI in education. The future of learning. Forget traditional classrooms. AI tutors are already making education more personalized, accessible, and efficient. With AI, students can learn at their own pace, receive instant feedback, and access global knowledge like never before. Could this mean the end of schools as we know them? Will teachers be replaced by AI? Some argue that human educators provide mentorship and social skills that machines cannot replicate. One thing is certain, the future of education will never be the same. 11. The Singularity. When AI becomes smarter than humans. Experts predict that by 2045, AI will surpass human intelligence, a moment known as the Singularity. What happens then? Will AI continue to serve humanity, or will it outgrow its creators? If AI can improve itself beyond our control, could it decide that humans are no longer necessary? Some believe AI will solve humanity's greatest problems, while others fear it could lead to unforeseen consequences. What do you think? Will AI be our greatest ally or our biggest threat? 10. The AI you don't see, the invisible hand. Every time you search on Google, scroll through TikTok, or shop online, AI is influencing your decisions. It decides what you see, what you buy, and even what you believe. But who controls the AI? Big tech companies are shaping the future behind the scenes. If AI algorithms dictate our choices, do we really have free will? Are we being manipulated without realizing it? Understanding AI's hidden influence is the first step in taking back control. 9. AI and relationships. Can robots replace love? Believe it or not, AI companions are already a billion-dollar industry. People are forming deep emotional bonds with AI chatbots. Can an AI truly replace human connection? While some argue that AI relationships offer companionship without heartbreak, others worry that it could lead to increased loneliness and detachment from real human interaction. As AI continues to improve, will people prefer robot partners over real ones? If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of people who don't pay attention to the future of AI. But are you ready for what's coming next? Because number 8 might just change how you see the battlefield forever. Before we move on, take a second to subscribe. We bring you the knowledge that gives you an edge in a world that's changing faster than ever. Stay informed, stay ahead. If you're enjoying this breakdown of the AI revolution, give this video a like so we know to bring you more like it. Imagine a world where wars are fought without human soldiers. That's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. Let's dive into number 8. 8. AI in warfare. Robots on the battlefield. Autonomous drones, robotic soldiers, and AI war strategists are being tested right now. Some believe this will reduce human casualties, while others fear AI warfare could spiral out of control. If AI makes life and death decisions in battle, who takes responsibility? What if AI decides that humans are the problem? The future of war is being shaped by AI, and we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the consequences? 7. The AI arms race. The battle for supremacy. Countries like the USA, China, and the EU are fighting to develop the most powerful AI. Whoever controls AI controls the future. Could this spark a new global war? Some experts warn that AI could become the most dangerous weapon ever created. With deep-fake propaganda, autonomous drones, and AI hacking systems, the battlefield of the future may be controlled entirely by machines. If one country gains AI dominance, will it become an unstoppable superpower? 6. AI in business. The CEO that never sleeps. Companies are already using AI to make executive decisions faster than humans. AI can analyze market trends, predict economic shifts, and optimize profits 24/7 without fatigue. Will businesses start replacing human CEOs with AI? Some hedge funds already rely on AI for investment decisions, and AI-driven analytics are outpacing human intuition. If AI continues to outperform human leadership, what will be left for human executives? 5. AI and creativity. Can robots think like us? From AI-generated music to ChatGPT-written novels, artificial intelligence is entering the creative world. AI can compose symphonies, paint artworks, and even write scripts for movies. But can it ever replace true human creativity? Artists argue that AI lacks emotions, personal experience, and the imperfections that make art beautiful. Will AI-generated content flood the world, or will humans always crave genuine human expression? 4. AI in medicine. The doctor. You can't see AI is already diagnosing diseases better than human doctors. Robots can perform surgeries with pinpoint accuracy. The future? A world where your doctor is an AI, fast, precise, and always learning. Imagine an AI system that monitors your health 24/7, predicting diseases before symptoms even appear. This could lead to a healthcare revolution, but what happens when doctors are no longer needed? If AI could replace your job tomorrow, do you think your skills would still be relevant? Let us know in the comments. And now let's talk about the rise of humanoid. 3. The rise of humanoid robots. Companies like Tesla's Optimus, Boston Dynamics, and Figure AI are building robots that can walk, talk, and even learn. These humanoid robots could soon take over tasks from cleaning to construction. But how far will it go? Will we reach a point where robots are indistinguishable from humans? And if we do, how will society react? 2. AI will create more jobs than it destroys. For every job lost, new ones emerge. Data analysts, AI trainers, and cybersecurity experts are in high demand. The trick is to adapt before AI takes over. History has shown that technology always creates new industries. But will the average person be able to transition fast enough? The future of work will belong to those who embrace change and upskill in time. 1. AI is already replacing jobs. We've seen it happen: self-checkout machines, AI customer service, and even self-driving trucks. Thousands of jobs are disappearing, but this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, no industry is safe. Automation is creeping into law, journalism, and even creative fields. The biggest question isn't if AI will replace jobs, it's how quickly it will happen. Are you prepared for the future? Stay ahead of AI! So will robots replace humans? The answer isn't that simple. AI is powerful, but creativity, leadership, and human emotions are still irreplaceable for now. But the AI revolution is happening right now, whether we're ready or not. The real winners will be those who understand AI, adapt, and use it to their advantage. Want to stay ahead of AI? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's shape the future together. This is Success Handshake, bringing you the future today.